Water, the most precious resource. About 71% of Earth is approximately covered by water. But how much percentage of water is clean? Well, it's just only 3% of what we can use. But due to increased water pollution issues, the health of the 3% water is decreasing, and also life in that water is also degrading. Along with Melbourne Water, we are trying to solve the four major problems that the company is facing. They are aquatics, management of garbage, early detection of garbage, and targeting hotspots. To solve this problem, we propose two different solutions. The first one being the real-time waste detection system using convolution neural networks on an early basis. And the second one being the forecasting of waste collected across the city of Melbourne for the coming 5 years. Of the future scope could be that this solution can be integrated with RMIT's Little Tracker application by installing high-definition cameras in the bottle. So, this is our team, and after this we'll move to the live demonstration.
So, as you move forward, these are the number of cameras that will be installed in the city, in the Victorian state, when the system is deployed in real time. This is our team, and this is just a short description of our project. So this is our first solution, and this is a map of Victoria, which is majorly focused on the city of Melbourne, and this shows all the data points where there is a lot of garbage, and when you click on one of the data point, it will show you what amount of garbage is hazardous and what amount of garbage is non-hazardous. This chart will also show you all the points that are near to the river, and if they are not near to the river, it will calculate the distance to the nearest river and then segregate it as whether it is harmful for the river or not. If yes, then you will be notified to take an appropriate action immediately. So this is one of the Tableau dashboard for total waste accumulated across the city of Melbourne from 2015 to 2020 based on the number of events happening in the state. So if we consider March, the amount of waste collected in the month of March is highest. So the main reason for this is there are various events that are hosted across Melbourne that are very high, and they are mostly occurring in East Melbourne. This is how it works. For the second dashboard, the forecasting is being done. As we can see, the amount of waste is decreasing as we move to 2020, and so is the number of events. And if we consider this and the following trend, the forecasting for the coming 5 years will also be the same. The garbage will decrease eventually in the coming years. Thank you.